1. Drink carbonated water. The bubbles give ordinary water an extra sparkle, and if you drink flavored seltzer, you may even be able to trick your brain into thinking it's soda. 2. Freeze your water the night before. As the ice melts, you can sip on an ice-cold bottle of water all day. 3. Add fruit. Slicing up citrus, berries, or even cucumbers into your water will give it a zesty, fresh taste that will keep you coming back for more. 4. Make flavored ice cubes. You can freeze just about any juice, mashed up fruit, or even coffee or flavored tea in an ice cube tray. When they're ready, pop out a few cubes and add them to your water bottle.